good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Joven and Tonic fam, Crow fam, back with some more bullish content for you guys in this video. Have a lot of interesting news and updates for you guys in this one. Tonic absolutely crushing it as always, and we're gonna take a look at what the broader markets think about the Fed and the upcoming FOMC meeting. Is it gonna be bullish for us? Is it gonna be bearish? We'll see in this video, guys. If this is something that you're interested in, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Thank you guys so much once again for 2,000 subscribers. It really means a lot, guys. Let's get to 3,000 subscribers. That is next up, guys. And please be sure to support my Tonic playlist and my Tonic shorts. Like I said, supporting content creators. Shout outs to all the content creators out there. Supporting content creators puts Tonic out there into the algorithm and more eyes on the project. When they open up their YouTube feed, they're gonna see videos about Tonic, and that could get them interested in the project. And then you have new members joining the project and the community and the project, which then in turn would grow. So support all the content creators that are putting in the work for Tonic, you know what I'm saying? And I appreciate you guys so much for the support that you've given me on that 2K subscriber goal. Now let's get to 3,000. Tonic up 1%. We are still holding this floor at $25.736 million in market cap. That's cool. I prefer holding support than falling. I prefer holding support any day of the week, guys. 30,538 people that have Tonic on their watches, 208k 24-hour trade volume. And we had an update in the Discord on the medium thread for Tonic about the circulating supply, the tokenomics. They're slowing the emission rate, guys. They're slowing the dilution of coins that are gonna be added to the market. They will be slowing that number down of the circulating supply, and will be spreading it out across the span of 4 years. The fees from the Tonic ecosystem and the amount of TVL that Tonic has. Pull up DeFi Llama real quick, guys. Because of that maturity in the ecosystem, look at Kronos. Look at Kronos right here. Number one, Tectonic, $251 million in TVL. Because of that maturity in the ecosystem for Tonic, guys, the fees are being able to cover the incentives for Tonic. And it's just the start. We're still in the baby phase, right? Still just a baby. We're just a toddler right now. We're just learning how to walk. So I'm telling you guys, it's just patience, man. It's just patience. Still green, still holding very well. Comparing it to Bitcoin once again, Tonic is a fundamentally sound altcoin that follows the top market mover, and follows its ecosystem project right there with Crow. When Crow is doing well, expect Tonic to do well, because Tonic is the smaller market cap, expected to have huge runs in comparison to bigger market caps, because with a smaller market cap project, it takes less money to move to move the market cap higher. It takes less money when a project is already at billions and billions of market cap. It's super stable at that point and has a huge amount of liquidity, but it takes a lot more money for it to start making those moves to the upside, right? So expect Tonic to perform extremely well. Now obviously Crow will perform so well compared to a lot of altcoins in the space, because it actually has real utility. One of the top centralized exchanges in the space. Of course it's gonna absolutely crush it. A $1, $2, $3 Crow, not gonna rule it out. But just remember, Tonic is gonna be crushing it as well, following the big brother and the top market mover in the space, Bitcoin, because it is a fundamentally sound altcoin. Now we have from Cryptogic's top projects by performance in the last month, and we have Tonic right here on the list against some of these bigger projects in the space. Decentraland, for example, Ajax, Aptos with huge market caps, right? Aptos is at $2.73 billion in market cap. Decentraland at $1.3 billion, and Tonic right up there at the top, you know, right in the top performers list with 181% with a 181% move, guys. Super bullish stuff from Tonic. You love to see it, guys. You really love to see it. And it's only at 20, you know, around the 25 to 30 million dollar market cap range. So imagine the potential to grow for Tonic. Gonna be something crazy, man. From Shango on February 7th, 2023, the 4-year vault could potentially drop by 2/3 to 17.5% APY for Tonic. Due to token emission schedule, NFT staking might add a boost to APY. 2023 will be the year of Chronos chain collaboration for Tectonic Fi NFTs put in work. I really think this is bullish. NFT, you know, use cases for Chronos NFT projects through the Tonic ecosystem is just gonna bring more and more eyes to the Tonic project. You know, a lot of people that are into NFTs, there's a whole market for that, you know, on ETH and Solana. Like, there's content creators just specifically focused on NFTs, and there's so much trade volume and market share just off NFTs, right? So for the Chronos chain, that is still very small when it comes to that, when that develops and Tonic offering some type of DeFi for the Chronos NFT projects, that's gonna help Tonic to grow even more. And also we have the update with the emission schedule and the circulating supply for Tonic. Also great stuff in my opinion. From Stress Free World, Tonic, how much Tonics do you need to have to become financially secure for the rest of your life? From totally 1099 to 100 bill. 100 bill is for the whales. We are just shrimps. Stress Free World replies. Nightshade, as much as you can get your hand on. 10 billion Tonic is a good start. Buy, stake, vault, and supply. 1 bill to 10 bill, that's a nice bag. That's gonna be great gains. If you're a long-term investor that's thinking years out, 1 bill to 10 bill Tonic is a nice bag. Shout out to Nightshade from Will. 20 billion for vaulted. 20 billion vaulted for 4 years is making me $864 per day. Nice passive income. $8 per day. Or $60.48 per week. Great stuff, man. A nice little income to invest in other alts, or you could just compound that number right back into Tonic, right? Shout out to Will from DMO. As much as you can afford to put in the 4-year vault, think about the conversion ratio. I locked at 1 to 1 to 2, 1 to 1.2. I will double my Tonic just for holding in vault if it hits 1 to 2.4. Shout outs to everyone with their different strategies to earn that passive income. Great stuff. From ZegoMagnet.Crow, perhaps you're sitting on a gold mine and don't even know it. Staking Tonic is an efficient way to generate passive income. Stay tuned to learn more. And like I said, I'm super happy that, you know, the fees are starting to be able to cover the emission rate for Tonic, right? They don't have to use the circulating supply as much anymore. That is bullish. That is super bullish. From SAG, Tectonic God candles incoming. Oh man, short and sweet, man. Shout out to SAG. Top stock tips. Update protocol updates for year 2 for Tonic. Over the next few months, we'll focus on delivering 2 features: NFT staking, isolated lending pools. NFT staking aims to provide further utility for Tonic Vault users as well as Chronos NFT holders. Yeah, man. The Medium article is a great read, guys. Make sure you go through it, you know, and join Telegram, Discord, asking, you know, any questions. But I like what I read, man. You know, less token emissions is great for the price, so it doesn't get diluted. Slower coins being added to the market for circulating supply means the price will remain stable, doesn't get diluted. NFT staking, you know, isolated lending pools, focusing on Chronos NFT holders as the Chronos ecosystem develops and then the Chronos NFTs get big, they have some place to use, they have somewhere to add DeFi to their NFTs with NFT staking. It's all bullish to me, man. All of those people that use the Tonic ecosystem for DeFi of their NFTs, they'll join the Tonic project and community. They'll scoop themselves up some Tonic, right? From Agent 00, my baby Tonic, of course, get it while it's cheap, because when we take off, there's no turning back. What Chronos altcoin has the most potential for 2023? Number one I'm betting on the project that has the number one TVL on Chronos chain. I'm betting on the one that has number one TVL, okay? That's the one I'm betting on. Obviously, VVS Finance is bullish as well too, man. I gotta cover VVS Finance and give a review for you guys, man, for sure. Let's see, anything else that I have. 2023 for Tonic will continue to serve Chronos chain as a competitive money market with NFT collaboration. Chronos NFTs, people that build Chronos NFTs, they collab with Tonic. More partnerships, more development of the ecosystem, more active engagement in the ecosystem. Bullish, man. Chronos collaborations and beneficial tokenomics. I know a lot of people are happy about that update with the beneficial tokenomics. They could care less about the NFTs. But I know a lot of people are happy about the beneficial tokenomics, man. And of course, more collaborations, more partnerships. Shout outs to Tonic. Shout outs to Shango for that. And from James Choi, the whisperer of the Fed gave us a hint. Leak. The Fed officials are closely monitoring this employment cost index, which just came out below expectations, and QOQ is dropping. This is USD bearish. USD bearish means DXY, the dollar. The US dollar is bearish. When it's bearish, expect the markets, the stock market, Bitcoin to rise. Rates will drop hard as Fed is more likely to pause its hiking cycle. What more do you need, guys? I'm telling you, whenever the Fed decides to pause rates, or you see every time we have a FOMC meeting, the raise increases gets less and less. It's only a matter of time until they pause the hiking cycle, pause the rate hikes. Are gonna be super bullish, okay? We are gonna ascend. There is something though that happened in past markets in history that we should watch out for, you know, just to warn you guys, okay? Every time there's a Fed pivot, pausing the rates, meaning they stop hiking the rates, we go bullish. But when there's a Fed pivot, meaning they start reducing the rates, we have a correction, okay? So keep an eye out for that. This is history right here, guys. This is a chart showing like the past of the stock market. We had the crash of 87, we had a Fed pivot, and then the S&P came down a bit, you know. In 1997, around the dot-com bubble, we had a Fed pivot, and then you see the S&P crashed again, right? 2006, credit crisis, Fed pivot, markets crashed once again, right? And then we had the pandemic crash as well after we had that Fed pivot, right? That's when, so be weary of that, okay? Anytime the Fed pivots and starts actually bringing down the rates, there's a how should I say, there's a quick crash, there's a flash crash, if that makes sense. It's just gonna be something quick, so keep an eye out. That would be a great time to DCA in or scoop up a bag. The bears might be thinking yes, but it's not gonna last long, you know. It's gonna be a quick flash crash if history repeats itself. So I'm just letting you guys know so you could keep an eye out for that, right? Thank you, Tonic fam, Crow fam. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, really appreciate it. Really appreciate all the support. You guys are the best. Thank you guys so much for 2,000 subscribers. Let's get to 3,000. Let me get your thoughts of the video down in the comment section. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. This is your first time hearing about Tonic. Let me get your thoughts as well. Everything Tonic and myself is in the description. And I'll catch you in the next video, guys. We bullish as always, man. Peace.